Hey guys, gizmoddict here, and yes, you read the title right, this is an iPhone video. So today we are checking out the iPhone XR, and before you start getting all angry on me in the comments, don't worry, I am not switching to iOS. But then I actually wanted to try out the iPhone XR because it is an interesting phone for a couple of reasons. First of all, it is the cheapest iPhone, so cheapest being the relative keyword here. But then yeah, this is the cheapest iPhone, and considering how bad the iPhone pricing is in India right now, I think a lot of people would actually consider the 10R. So yeah, I think my video would be helpful to those people. Plus, second of all, I was watching a couple of review videos of the iPhone XR, and this phone is actually not as bad as we think it is. So I wanted to check it out for myself. And lastly, I have been reviewing way too many Android phones lately, so it's nice to switch things around. You guys would also get new content. So yeah, I wanted to make some iPhone content as well. But don't worry, the Android phone reviews are not getting affected. All of the reviews would be published by their timelines. So yeah, in this video we'll be unboxing the iPhone XR. I'll be giving you my first impressions about it, and at the end I've also included some camera samples of this phone along with the OnePlus 6 so that you guys can have a small comparison for yourself. So now let's not waste any more time and get started. So the box of the iPhone XR is like any other iPhone. You've got the picture of the XR on the front. It matches the variant that you buy. So since I got the Coral iPhone, you can see a picture of the Coral XR. You've got the iPhone branding and the Apple logo on the sides, which once again match the color of the XR that you get. On the back there is a quick rundown of what all do you get inside the box, and there's also a label indicating the storage capacity as well. So what all do you get inside the box of the iPhone? Well, for starters, there's this piece of cardboard inside which includes quite a bit of paperwork and of course Apple stickers. I still don't get it, why do they bundle the Apple stickers inside the box, but then it's kind of become a tradition now. Below that is our shiny new iPhone XR all wrapped up, and like I said, this is the Coral variant. The iPhone XR is available in a bunch of colors, but this one caught my attention the most, and it does look and feel very good. Let's keep it to the side for now, and further inside we've got earpods. Still a great pair of earbuds for something that comes inside the box, and these are the lightning cable ones because Apple left the headphone jack train a long time ago. Then you've also got your lightning cable for charging and the wall adapter, which takes ages to charge the iPhone. What's surprising is that Apple, being such a big company, sometimes cheaps out on some very basic things. They don't give a fast charger with the iPhone, and on top of that, they've just stopped giving the lightning to 3.5mm converter. You have to buy it separately, which is ridiculous. But this is all you get inside the box of the iPhone. Now let's talk about it. The XR, in spite of being the cheapest new iPhone, shares a lot with the XS and the XS Max. First of all, you've got the same A12 chip on the XS. The Face ID and the 7MP front camera is the same. The primary sensor on the back, which is the 12MP f1.8 sensor, is the same one as well. You've got 3GB RAM here compared to the 4GB on the higher variants, and the phone runs on iOS 12 right out of the box, and this is a very new experience for me, to be honest. The last iPhone that I tried was the 7 Plus, so a lot of things have changed since then. You've got these new gestures, there's no fingerprint reader, and I'm looking forward to actually use this phone. The XR also has a 2942 mAh of battery, which sounds less on paper, but then going by all of the reviews that I've seen till now, this phone has one of the best battery life on an iPhone. That's probably due to that display. And talking about that display, here's where everyone gets triggered. 720p on a $750 phone. Seriously, Apple, what were you thinking? But more on that on my full review. On the outside, the phone's made out of metal and glass. You've got the glass back, which looks very nice, and on the sides you have aluminium as compared to the stainless steel on the XS and the XS Max. The aluminium sides are actually colored according to the phone that you get. So it's orange on my Coral variant, it's blue on the blue variant, yellow on the yellow variant, and so on. It's been a while since I've actually used an iPhone, and I'm going to use the XR for exactly a month. And in this time frame, I'm going to be making a lot of videos like a full review, comparisons, camera comparisons between a lot of Android devices. So if you guys have any special request or any special video that you would like to see with the iPhone XR, then please let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure that I make it. For now, I think that is it for the unboxing and my first impressions of the XR. Like I said, I'll be showing you the camera samples in comparison with the OnePlus 6, so let's get on to that. But then before we get there, thanks for watching. If you guys are new here, then definitely hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and hit the like button as well. I'll be back in your notifications very soon. Now, let's get to the camera samples, and definitely let me know which phone did you find better in the comments.